For this video, we are going to go step by step on how to make this shape. Some tools that we are going to use are center point arc, circular pattern, creating a point, and trim. For most of this video, we will be referencing this photo. First thing we're going to do is create a vertical construction line starting from the origin point. Going to make a new sketch, construction line. Next, we're going to create a V shape. And that V shape should have a 60-degree angle. Power dimension, 60, enter. And to make sure it's even, we're going to go from one side of the V to the construction line to make sure it's 30 degrees. Next, we're going to make sure that the V line that we created is the correct length, which is 239. Power dimension, 239, enter. Oops, that's okay. Shift and then shift and make sure you can press the equal sign. Next, we're going to create the point of our inner semicircle arc, which should be 119.5 up on that vertical construction line from the origin point. And the radius of the arc is 17. Center point arc, power dimension, and that should be 17 radius. Next, I'm going to take the points, I'm going to take the point of the center point arc, and we're going to make them horizontal, so they make a perfect semicircle. From the center point of the semicircle up is a line that is 80. Make sure that's vertical. Power dimension, 80. We are going to grab the line we just power dimensioned, and we're going to make the other one equal. Next, we're going to make these two arcs with their center points starting at the point that we've already created. Oops. There we go. Power dimension. Let's remember 97 radius. Oops. Sometimes this happens. If you need to get back to focus, just hit on that little icon up there. Next, I'm going to take the arc we've already created. I'm going to mirror it off of that vertical construction line. And next thing we are going to create is very small, but there's a little arc. You can see it better on the other photo. Here we go. Those bitty lines have a little bit of arc in them. So we're doing another center point arc, starting from the origin point. Let's remind ourselves it's 207 radius. Next, we're going to clean this up a little bit. We're going to trim all the excess lines we do not need. Right now, as you can see, the hard trim is on, and if you do a trim, you lose your power dimension. So we're going to undo that, and we're going to click that off, and if we trim that line, that dimension stays on. Next, there is a small arc that is 30 degrees. I'm going to take a line, power dimension 30, enter. And to make sure this angle is center, I'm going to go from one side to the construction line to make sure it's 15 degrees. And then we're going to trim again. And there we go. Now we get to rotate the shape we've created 6 times. So we're going to grab each of the lines that we want to use. circular pattern, 6. The center point. As you can see, I missed one of the lines. Well, that's an easy fix. Cancel. See, they're all still selected. Shift, select that little bit, and then go back to circular pattern, and it has made a face. One of the last things that we have to do is create that center circle with 60 diameter. And as you can see, I no longer need these lines, so I'm going to quickly trim them. There we go. 60, enter. And then we're going to take the face, extrude sketch. It's automatically set to 10, but let's make it 20. And there you have it.